Today's special recipe peri rice. Most of the people never have an idea about this recipe, but this is a very simple and easy recipe. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. For preparing this, take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, dry red chilies. Fry this on a low flame. Once it's done, now it's the time to add chopped onions. Now add chopped carrot pieces, boiled sweet corn pieces, add chopped capsicum pieces, now give a good mix. Now add peri masala into this. We can easily get this peri masala in supermarkets. If not, I will show how to prepare this peri masala in upcoming episodes. Now mix everything. Now add required amount of salt. At this moment, add boiled basmati rice, or we can use leftover rice. Now carefully combine everything. That's all, peri rice was ready. Transfer this into a serving plate. Whenever we have a leftover rice, we can prepare this peri rice. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.